Today we'll be learning how to use some of the exercises on musictheory.net. I've saved some permanent exercise links, and I will also show you how to make your own permanent links, as well as how to use the exercises themselves. The permanent links are found on my website, meyermusicstudio.weebly.com/educational-resources.html. The sixth link down is called musictheory.net permanent exercise links. The exercise customizer is the first link. We'll get back to that later though. First, we'll start with note identification. If you click the link, it will go to an exercise that I have customized for you. The details are here. It's on the grand staff, bass clef C3, all the way up to treble clef C4. There will be no accidentals. You can use the phrases we've learned in class, F, A, C, to find out what note it is. Every good boy. F, A. Okay, the note right below C is B. The next exercise is keyboard identification. You'll see just a generic keyboard. You can find your group of 3 if you need to, or your group of 2 to help you find the notes. So the highlighted notes will just be the note that you click below. The next exercise is reverse keyboard identification. You'll see a grand staff, and you'll have to pick on the keyboard below the note that it is. So every good boy, you'll find the B. All cows eat grass. D. Okay. The next exercise is interval identification. So here, it'll be 1, 2. It's a major second. We're only dealing with majors right now, or perfects. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect 4. Now this is an exercise that may be too easy for you. If you would like to make it harder, go back to my website, find the exercise customizer, go to interval identification. We'll keep the range just from C to C for now. We don't want all those key signatures yet. We'll stay with the key of C. Not all intervals either. We're just going to stay with the major intervals for now. If you feel like that's too easy, that's fine. You can customize that on your own time. And we'll stay with level 1, no accidentals for the difficulty. We'll start the exercise. So this would be a perfect 4th. Now this is a little more difficult. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Major 7th. So that's how you would customize that if it's a little too easy. The next exercise is note ear training. It'll play a reference note C, which will be the same every time, and a question note. So let's listen to them right next to each other. And I like to replay the reference note right before I play the question note, just to make sure that my ears are listening really closely. Did you hear that's the same note? That's a C. It's the same note again, okay? If this is too difficult, you can always go back to the exercise customizer and choose a couple less notes. Maybe going from C to G is too much. You can go from C to D or C to E if you need a little bit more practice learning those notes. The final exercise is key signature identification. If you need to use your circle of fish chart, please do. For this purpose, I just have 2 sharps and 2 flats. And then no sharps or flats. So this one would be the key of G, key of B flat, key of C. If you need to go back and look at your circle of fifths, though, please do. So that's it for the permanent links I have. Let's go to musictheory.net and explore a little bit. If you go to the exercises, there are a ton of exercises you can use. I just picked some of my favorites. You can also go to lessons. If you're having a hard time with any of these things, this is a great place to go and get some more practice. You can learn about key signatures or the major or minor scales. Introduction to chords if you're interested in composition and I haven't gone as far as you would like to. There's tons of great resources here. So these are the exercises I've created. Feel free to create your own. As soon as you're done creating the exercise on the exercise customizer, say this is the exercise you'd like to use. You just copy that link and save it somewhere, okay? And that's it. Thank you so much for listening, and let me know if you have any questions at your next lesson. Okay, bye.